Vicky Blades, your video coach. Let's have a little, what's it called? Theme tune. Thank you, Facebook, I'm now live. So, Vicky Blades, your video coach here. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about video length, as in how long should your video be. And, do you know what? Let me go through some rookie mistakes with you, because actually, in my opinion, there's room for lots of different kinds of videos, and that means a variety of types of video and a variety of length. However, rookie mistake number one is trying to cram too much information into one video. Now, I get it, because you know, people feel a bit anxious, they get a bit of stage fright, they don't like looking at themselves on screen, they definitely don't like the sound of their own voice. Hello, 99% of the world. So once you've psyched yourself up and hit record or gone live, then the temptation is just to say everything at once. I get it. And you kind of forget that video is not just a one-time only offer, right? It's something you could be doing every day. I certainly advocate doing it at least once a week. And I'm not even talking about live training or coaching then. I'm just talking about videos for your business at least once a week. So if you are not in the mindset of, I need to make videos for my business, I've got a long list of video subjects, topics, headlines. I've got all the content buckets, the content pillars to fill up. Then you're going to panic that your only chance to talk to your clients is this one time when you hit record. And it's not. And then people say to me, but you know, I've got this amazing product and I really want to talk about not just, you know, what it's made of and what it looks like and smells like and what it feels like, but I want to tell people, you know, how it was, you know, how someone came up with the idea and the packaging, and then how you can purchase it and how you can get the returns. And yeah, I get it. And yes, enthusiasm, let's have lots of enthusiasm and passion, definitely. But there's no reason why you can't do 3 different videos about the same product, right? Because, you know, different people want different information, and if someone's really interested in a product and they want to do the research, then, you know, maybe they'll watch all 3 videos, or maybe they'll just watch the video about, you know, who invented it or how it came to be in the world. And so you are making videos to cater for a variety of viewers. Some people like funny, some people like statistics, some people like a training style. So go for it. Doesn't really matter. Just go and make videos, and make a lot of videos, and make videos every day. However, do not cram your videos full of too much information, because that is guaranteed to make us switch off. So, length of video. Well, when I help you make videos, I will help you make a variety. For example, there is a 10-second video. Yes, there is, yeah. Now, you won't necessarily be making a 10-second video, but you'll be doing a shorty, a short form video, 10 to 30, maybe 40 seconds. And it's amazing how much information you can actually get into just 40 seconds. Then we'll have a slightly longer video. We have what I like to call story videos. And story videos, in fact, all videos have a beginning, a middle, and an end. And depending on your story, you may wish to take your time about that, and that's absolutely fine. Now, training videos, I like them bite-sized, I have to say. I like them a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes long tops, because the nice thing is that if you have a series of modules that are all, you know, between, I don't know, 3 and 7 minutes long, then it's much more achievable rather than people sitting down and watching, you know, a 2-hour video. However, there is a place for longer videos, and a lot of coaching calls nowadays are an hour and a half easily. And webinars, workshops, masterclasses, they're all going to be a minimum of 45 minutes plus. So there is time for that as well. Now, of course, they tend to be recordings of a live event that might include, audience interaction, Q&A sessions, and so on and so forth. But still, people do consume training videos that are over an hour long, so that's okay too. If you were just starting out making training videos, I would do the modular 5-minute segments. But listen, it's all depending on who you're talking to, what you want to say, what's your business. And for that reason, my friend, you need a video strategist and coach just like me, just to help you along the way, just to show you the different varieties, but also to be a bit more focused, so that when you hit record, when you go live, you have an idea what you're talking about, what you're hoping to achieve, and who you are talking to. So the length of video depends very much on what kind of video it is. But the biggest sin is to go on for too long and cram in too much information. And obviously, that's why I'm going to sign off now. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And remember, my friends, go out there and hit record, but be brief and concise and to the point. I'll see you soon.